In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new currency balance in your Wise account. This is a straightforward process that can enhance your ability to manage finances in different currencies seamlessly. The first thing you'll want to do is open your Wise app or go to the Wise website where you usually manage your funds. Make sure you are logged in using your secure credentials to ensure everything is set up to customize your account effortlessly. Once you're logged in, your main dashboard will appear. In this overview, you'll find various features and tools to manage your accounts and transactions. Now direct your attention to the arrow icon. It acts like a gateway to additional options, just waiting to be explored. Clicking this arrow unveils a range of functionalities that are not immediately visible on your main screen. It's one small click for you, but one giant leap for managing your currencies. In this expanded menu, look for the plus icon. It usually has a prominent placement to signal that this is where you can augment or supplement your current settings and options. The plus icon is your ticket to open a new pathway for handling different currencies. Next, focus on the option marked Balance Open. It's under this category that you're able to manage your current and new currency balances. Selecting this takes you directly to a list of diverse currency options Wise supports. Here is where you pivot to selecting the specific currency you wish to add to your account. Wise provides options for a range of currencies, offering you the flexibility needed in today's global economy. After you've successfully selected your desired currency, you're almost there. Make sure you double-check your selection to confirm accuracy before moving on. Then, with a simple confirmation click, your new currency balance is now ready for use within your Wise account. This process is intuitive and simple, yet it opens up your financial capabilities significantly, especially if you're someone frequently dealing with international transactions. Importantly, should you find the need to repeat this process to incorporate even more currencies into your Wise account, you absolutely can. The steps remain the same. It's merely about revisiting our path, starting from that initial arrow tap and going through the plus icon to balance open. In doing so, your Wise experience remains customizable and adaptable, reflecting your financial management needs in real time. I hope this guide clarifies everything you need to effortlessly add new currency balances to your Wise account. By incorporating multiple currencies, managing international transactions becomes so much more efficient. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and feel free to share this with anyone who might benefit from learning to manage their currencies on Wise.